Hey guys, Audi555 here. Today I'm just chopped off my motorcycle because I've noticed this motorcycle here has been parked on the street in pretty unsatisfactory / unroadworthy condition with no number plate. So it's obviously either been stolen or someone's had a pretty bad accident and they've just dumped it. So what do you do in the event of coming across something like this? If you find an abandoned vehicle, and it's definitely been abandoned, it's got damage, there's no number plate on it, and it's parked on a public street. Well, here in Australia, what we can do is we can contact the police via a service called Crime Stoppers. Their phone number is 1800 333 000. Some things to look out for that the police are going to ask you for. They're going to want to know the location of where this bike is, so the streets, and they're also going to want to know things such as the VIN number, if you can get to it. Now, the VIN number is a unique number that's on a motorcycle, so for this one it's underneath there in the steering column. Usually the police would be able to find out the registration details for the vehicle over the phone by just providing them the license plate number, but in this event obviously the license plate has been removed. So that's where the VIN comes handy, because then they can track down on their system to see if the bike has been stolen.
Thank you for contacting Crime Stoppers. One of our operators will be with you shortly.
Alright, so I've called up 1300 333 000, and that's an Australian number.
Crime Stoppers, can I help you?
Hey, how you going? My name's Adrian. I've noticed that a motorcycle has appeared to be abandoned on a street. It's got some damage to the side and the number plate has been removed, and it's been there for at least a week.
Okay, so no plates on it at all?
No.
Okay, I'll go to a location, we'll get the police just to go out there and check it. What street's it on, please?
It's on the corner of Marine Parade and... oh, I've forgotten the main street, but if they're on...
What suburb?
Wentworth Point.
Let me just bring that up. So Marine Parade,
Yep.
and that's New South Wales?
Yes.
Wentworth Point. Marine Parade, let's just see, there's only a couple of cross streets there, let's have a look.
It's near a roundabout and there's a like an Easy Mart on the corner.
There's Marine Parade, it's only a short street. So that roundabout would be at Baywater Drive?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, so it's on the intersection there, is it?
Yeah, so it's on Baywater Drive, just on the side of the road.
Okay, so the bike is on Baywater Drive?
Yeah, it's probably about 15 metres away from the roundabout.
Okay, so it's on Baywater Drive at the corner of Marine Parade at Wentworth Point?
Yep.
Okay, and no plates and it's damaged?
Yeah. Looks like it's been dropped on the left-hand side. There's a lot of scrapes on it and it's leaking oil.
And there's oil on the water?
Oil on the ground.
Oh, sorry, that's what I meant to say. Oil on the ground. And do you know what sort of bike it is?
Yeah, it's a Kawasaki Ninja 650L.
650, did you say?
Yep.
What colour?
Black.
Okay, alright. No people have come near it at all? No person?
Nah, not that I'm aware of. I originally saw it a week ago on Tuesday, and I'm a motorcycle rider myself, and so I noticed things like that, and I've come back today just to check on it, and it's still in the exact same spot. There's cobwebs on the rear wheel and things like that, so it hasn't moved or anything. And I can give you the VIN number.
Do you want to leave your details in case the police have got any questions?
Yeah, that's fine.
Your first name?
Adrian.
Sorry, you told me that. What's your phone number, Adrian? Is it obstructing anything on the street, like any visual for turning or parking or anything like that, or driveway?
It's parked on the side of the road. Yeah, it's out of the way of everything, so...
Okay, alright, so there's no parking issues there?
Nah.
Alright, we'll get the police to come out there, okay, at Baywater Drive, Wentworth Point, near Marine Parade. Thank you for the call.
Do you want the VIN number at all?
Oh, if you've got it, yep.
Yeah, so I'll just have a look on this steering column. Alright, so it's Juliet Kilo Alpha.
We'll get the police to go out there and just check it out. What I'm going to do is I'll just give you a reference number for your call today to say that I've sent the police out there.
Alright, hopefully they can find the owner and... Yeah, no dramas.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks a lot for that.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. They're going to get the police out to have a look at it. And hopefully whoever owns this motorcycle will get some good news that their bike's been found. And if it's someone that lives around here and they've just left it like this, they probably get a kick in the ass for parking it on a public street, removing the plates. But I'm 100% sure that this has been stolen. There's no way, if you were a motorcycle rider, that you would just park it on the street like this. As usual, guys, keep safe out there on the road, stay on your wheels and not your head. And I'll see you guys next Tuesday with a brand new video. So, laters. So that man looked at me funny as I was trying to do an outro, so I just pretended I was on the phone. Alright, so I'm just gonna go now. Yeah, it was good talking to you. Alright.